One sunny morning, Leela bought a big red balloon. She loved it so much. She said, "Hello, balloon. You are round, you are shiny, and you are mine." But oh no, the wind blew hard. Whoosh! The balloon slipped out of her hand and floated up, up, up into the sky. Leela ran after it. She shouted, "Stop, balloon, stop!" But the balloon didn't stop. On the way, she met a dog. The dog barked, "Woof, woof!" "Dog, did you see my balloon?" Leela asked. The dog wagged its tail and pointed with its nose. Next, she met a cat. The cat said, "Meow, meow." "Cat, did you see my balloon?" Leela asked. The cat stretched and pointed up to the tree. And there it was, her balloon, stuck in the tree branches. "Oh no," Leela cried. "How can I get it down?" Then the dog barked loudly, "Woof, woof!" The cat jumped high, "Meow!" Together they shook the tree. The balloon floated down gently into Leela's hands. "Yay!" she said. "Thank you, dog. Thank you, cat." From that day, Leela always tied her balloon to her wrist, and she always said, "A friend helps, a friend shares, a friend cares."